Welcome back, friends. It is day 12 here at Sayas Pilates and Beyond. I am Stephanie, and this is the Embrace Your Body Challenge. Are you feeling that human hibernation? That we really should be sleeping, no matter where you are in the world? I am. And for the past 4 years, ever since mon fils came earthside, I've really been leaning into that rhythm. Today's flow, which is right up there, is warm up to wake up. It's something you can do first thing in the morning, like the title says. It's something you can do before bed to really calm your body, your nervous system, your home before you rest. And it really just feels good. It's something you can do in the middle of the day. It's a gentle stretch flow. It's a gentle yawning through the body. And yesterday I introduced my dear friend Jem Burns, who is my partner, who is my dear sister goddess and friend at The Incoming. And if you'd like to feel into what we do together at The Incoming, I'm linking below our Rise to Thrive guide, 10 steps to a mindful morning. And so these 10 steps are physio-energetic ways of aligning you to the vibration of abundance and centeredness, which is also extremely nourishing for your body, mind, and spirit. It's a free download. You might already do a lot of the things. It's just asking you to bring conscious intention to your morning routine. And it gives you some suggestions and tools. There's a roly-poly before you get out of bed audio. There's an abundance meditation in there for you to embed and absorb and embody that frequency into your cellular consciousness. We are launching, friends, and we would love for you to join us on our space rocket. Gros bisous. I will see you tomorrow.